Hi kids. Every morning, Rita travels to school on a school bus. After picking Rita, this bus goes 4 kilometers down the main road, takes a left turn and travels another 3 kilometers to reach the school. Unfortunately, Rita was late and missed the bus today. Her mom is going to drive her to school using a shortcut. Can you tell me how much distance will they have to drive along this route? Notice that the paths in the map form a right angle triangle. The famous Greek mathematician Pythagoras studied right angle triangles and found that they all have a special property. Let's take a closer look at this property. The two smaller sides of the triangle measure 3 units and 4 units. We can arrange 3 unit squares along the side measuring 3 units and 4 unit squares along the side measuring 4 units. Next, let's add more unit squares to make square grids on both these sides. The side with length 3 units will have 9 squares in the grid. Likewise, side with 4 units will have 16 unit squares. Now, if we take the squares from each grid and rearrange them along the hypotenuse, 25 pieces fit into a perfect square of side measuring 5 units. If each square piece occupies an area of 1 square unit, the area of the squares along the two sides of the triangle will be 9 square units and 16 square units. And the area occupied by the square along the hypotenuse will be 25 square units, which is equal to the sum of the areas of squares along the two sides of the triangle. This is called the Pythagoras Theorem. It says the square of the hypotenuse of a right triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the other two sides. Thus, in a right angle triangle with hypotenuse C and the other sides as A and B, C square equals A square plus B square. We can use this relation to find an unknown side when the two sides are known in a right angle triangle. Let's apply this to Rita's road map. Here A equals 3 kilometers and B equals 4 kilometers. Let the shortcut distance be C kilometers. So C square is equal to 3 square plus 4 square, or C square equals to 9 plus 16, that is 25. Which means C is equal to the square root of 25, which is 5. So, Rita's mom will have to drive 5 kilometers and make sure she's not late for school.